Caprice Hold'em edition. All right, it's got a Solo performance system on it. Cat back, or no, not cat back. Header back, long tube headers, cooks, headers right there, long tubes. Then it's got a Solo performance header back system, as you guys can see, dual in, dual out, and 3-inch system all the way back. He had one of his clamps were loose. These two clamps, we just tightened them up for him. You can see where they were leaking. So we didn't do much on it. It came with the system already on it, guys, okay? And this is where they have the J-pipe. They call this a J-pipe for drone. So it's a Solo Performance Special, as you guys can see, for the drone. And then he's got quad tips out the back. I said, might as well do a video for you guys. You don't see these Caprices all the time. So I'm like, let's do a video. Why not? Especially with it being catless, and it's also tuned for E85. It's really nicely done. It's a clean car. Look at that. Caprice V. I like it. That's nice. It's really nice. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
2016 Chevy Caprice. All we did was put mufflers on the rear. I just want to clarify that, like, off the jump. That's all we did was put mufflers on the rear, but he's got a cam in it, long tube headers, comes down to the X pipe, all the way back. And this is, we started working from here back. That's all we touched. It was from here back. We didn't touch anything else. Everything else came as is. We put some Borla Pro XS on it, on each side, with some quad tips. Looks nice and clean, a lot better than what it was before. He had some weird J-pipes on it, but considering that his cam with long tube headers, they really didn't do anything for him. So put some mufflers on it. Hopefully it'll quiet it down some for him. We appreciate his service as a firefighter. So if you guys like, comment, subscribe. We'll let you guys
Here
know.
we go. Caprice Hold'em edition. Go ahead.
Go ahead. 97. What I saw a peak at. 103. All right, go ahead and back it out. First helicopter in traffic. Hit the idle on it. Lock finger sounding. All right, we'll let you guys hear it on the inside.
I love the sound of it. I might look me for one of these. They're fun. 6.0 too. You can't beat it. And just build the heck out of it. Why not? If only I can fit enough cars in the garage. Imagine, guys. That'd be crazy. Can fly, guys.
Wow. 16 Chevy Caprice, long tube headers. And all we did was put mufflers on it, the Borlas. That's it.
Yeah.
Got a cam in it as well.